Hello everyone. Today I will show you that how can you schedule messages on WhatsApp without using any third-party application. So you can do this in iPhone with using shortcuts application. Make sure you have this application or you can download it from the App Store. After that, open shortcuts. Now go to automation. Now click on this add icon. Now click on create personal automation. Now select time of the day and select the time, like select 12 a.m. For example, if you want to wish someone happy birthday, so you can schedule messages. After selecting the time, click on next. Now click on add action. Now click on this apps and now scroll down and find WhatsApp, or you can choose any other messenger application, like I'm choosing WhatsApp. Then select send message. Now you have to enter the message you want to send. After that, you have to choose that contact you want to send the message. Click here and now you can select that user, then click on done. After that, just click on next on the top right corner. Now turn off this option, ask before running. Make sure to turn off this option, otherwise it will not work. Then click on done and you are all set. At this time, the message will be sent to that user automatically, but you have to do a thing. You have to delete this automation, otherwise it will send the messages daily. You can delete it by swiping to the left and click on delete. Now this automation is deleted. Make sure to delete this automation after the message is sent. So this is how you can schedule any WhatsApp message on your iPhone. Thank you everyone.